as a legal matter, simply using more salt absolutely does not lower your liability because it doesn't always work. One thing about too much salt is we know for sure that it causes damages, and avoiding damages is what we're trying to do here. Reasonable care is the general legal standard. It is the care that is necessary for any property owner to make sure that they are not liable for conditions that would cause damages to an entrant on the property. Property maintenance is how you simultaneously manage liability and improve your clients' and customers' or congregants' experience. Establish and maintain specific protocols that you follow. Tied into that is going to be training for the right people. Second, document. And the documentation is really, really key. It's really the best protection for any property owner, property manager to protect themselves from liability. A written contract does several things for you. It shows that you are following a program that provides a level of specific service meant to maintain safety. It also shows that you're adhering to a kind of industry standard or best practices that establish reasonable care. One key about this whole process is that the property management plan and the protocols that you design have to be specific to the property that you're working with. It's not a cut and paste. The same thing works on every property. Communications with residents, parishioners, visitors to a property is an integral part of property management. Letting people know that there are conditions present is really critical, not only to protect you from liability, but to help them not have an accident, which is good for everybody. Oversalting will not prevent a slip and fall lawsuit necessarily. Further, there's some other downsides from too much salt. For one thing, if a property owner who calls for more salt from a property management contractor, that property owner is inserting themselves somewhat arbitrarily into the proper management protocols and thereby shifting a certain amount of responsibility for conditions onto themselves. Further, you're spending more money without any commensurate increase in your safety, and you're for sure, again, damaging the environment. There's several key things to have in place, but to have a plan and the right components of a plan are the most important.